This morning we are going to Beyond Hello Dispensary to install You Killed Me First's artwork, which is going to be hanging for a show at the dispensary for the next few months. If it's 2020 May through July, make sure you head on down to Beyond Hello in Las Vegas and check out the art. In addition to installing this artwork, we are going to attempt to go to a 24-hour ramen shop. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, so it's very early, and we thought maybe some ramen and it would be a great breakfast idea. So we are going to be checking out this awesome 24-hour ramen shop for breakfast. I'm so excited. Hi, well we just put up the artwork at Beyond Hello for his show, You Killed Me First. Be there through
3 months.
2022, starting in May. 3 months, check it out. Now we're gonna go to a ramen place for ramen. We don't even know what time it is. What time?
Shit, I don't know. It's 9:21 right now.
9:21, we've been here for a while.
We've been here for like an hour and a half.
Woo. All right. Hour and a half or so. 9.5 ramen. I mean
9.5 ramen. Okay. Bamboo shoots?
oh, this is like hangover ramen.
Yeah.
Drunk people ramen. Big rich broth. I can't eat another bite. How was it?
It was good. It was good and spicy. My nose is running.
It was really decadent, like super syrupy broths. Even the chicken broth was like.
Yep.
It's like hangover
Yeah, it was hangover.
ramen for sure. Check it out.